YouTubers. Today we're at Zips Car Wash in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And this is the Sheridan location.
If you would like an interior cleaning, please select full service wash. Otherwise, select exterior wash.
We'll just do the full wash.
We have a 30, 24, 18, and a 12.
We'll do the 30.
The 30?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. For $22.50, you can wash unlimited.
No, I've already got a membership somewhere else.
Okay, I got you. All right, there's that back for you.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Set.
Wow, $30? That's more than the highest wash Tommy's.
It's a lot.
Yeah. So yeah, this was the Zips Car Wash that I filmed back in March 2018. This was one of the very first car washes I ever filmed for YouTube. And ever since then, it's undergone a lot of changes, including new mirrors, brushes, and new chemicals and signage. Brushes aren't even touching the car that well. Yeah. Here. Wow. like, subscribe. Bye. This was the Zeps Car Wash at Sheridan location in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Bye.